For us foreign boys, let's give him multiple circles on this side. Let's divide this circle. We can make this circle a bit rounder. If everyone draws a circle, the circles become one. Mine's not too round either. It's close enough. Drawing a perfect circle is really difficult. First, let's define his dynamic line. Look at the side profile. Where's he facing? Notice the clear angle of the jawline. I've been trying to find it. It's that clear angle of the jaw. Then to this position, a point on the jawline. There is another point on this side. Adjust the midline slightly. Look at both sides of the lower jaw. We need to consider the relationship between these jawlines. Then the ear position. See how it relates to the circle below. Let's define the ear shape to make the figure clearer. As we move down, we can locate the position of the eyes. Don't place them too high. Keep the 1/2 ratio in mind. Now let's find the eyebrow position. Start with one line. Let's find this line. Notice how it's higher on the left, lower on the right. He's tilting his head slightly. Can you see that? Now the nose position, the jaw is also higher on the left, lower on the right. Keep these three features in proportion. Now, look here, I'm looking for the jaw angles on both sides, not the mouth. After connecting the jaw angles, observe the lip line above shift up slightly, then lower the lip position, move down a bit. Now you see a basic human figure emerging, right? After that, let's identify some key points. The position of the forehead, the angle of the nose bridge, the philtrum area. They're close, right? Similar angles. Finish this side. Now I'm looking here, this light and shadow shape. After finding it, we can locate the inner eye corner around here. In this position, it's like this strong light contrast. Dark areas are heavy. We need to find some light shadow shapes. Now look at the eye width. At this point, for the spacing, we can mark the eye corner. Check if it's narrow or wide in your drawing. The eye corner shape curves inward a bit. Find a line for the face structure. Bring out this whole area. The lower jaw note features like eyebrow placement and angles. Strengthen the line's angle, then set eyebrow width. Oh, define it a bit more this way. Now look, this connects to the nose wing. Determine the nose wing position, then find a line. See if this line extends to this position. Create a triangle, right? This triangle shows the lip tip position. Upper lips not thin, lower lips thick. Now find the nose wings near the eyes. We use these points to shape the face. These points help lock in the features. This makes our shaping more accurate. Now the mouth corner. Draw any size. The nose bridge. What's this part called? Ah, nose root. Now eye corners are flat. This side has a slight curve. Use nose to find earlobe position. Earlobes help complete the face shape. Clarifies overall form. Next step. Match features, then find the ears. When features emerge, focus on eyes. Connect from here to there smoothly. Don't make eyes too high or low. Note eyebrow thickness and eye distance. Find inner eye corner slightly heavier. Press harder here. Now, eyebrow shape. This eyebrow's straight. Match the eye. Now for the eye on this side. I feel it's a bit tight here. Let's widen this side slightly. After that, let's check where his pupil and eye position should be. Then, enhance the overall curvature to make the eye appear more prominent. For the lower eyelid, it's still too high. Let's lower it a bit. I'll start by bringing it down. If the lower eyelid shape is too weak, the eyeball won't be visible. The size relationship isn't clear. Let's make it bigger. It'll emphasize his sunken eye look. The eye bag area will be more pronounced. Let's enhance it slightly. Now that's done, let's follow his overall facial structure. Check the relationship between the nose bridge, nose ridge, and root. The entire eyebrow area is done. Let's make it protrude more. Now for the inner corner of his eye, where should the nose bridge curve? See, we'll bring out the nose bridge, giving it a firm yet soft look. After that, the nose tip is quite vertical. When drawing men, sometimes we need to consider the straight lines. Emphasize them, but don't overdo it. Now look at the nostril shape. Then for the side of the nose, let's make it protrude a bit more. Then to this position in the person, there will be a feeling of this coming together. Bulge up a little. After that to this location. After that to this location, gather out of root. This position of the whole goes out of the band. Pick up. Let it feel a little bit of a lift. After the lower lips, bring out this lower lip position. The lower lip is not very wide. Optimistic about its sense of squareness. Maybe on the lips in this position. Use a circular line, simple with a stroke. Be light, don't draw too heavy in the distance. I saw the meaning at the corner of my mouth. This side means to bring a belt, simple belt. It feels a bit wide here, I will collect a little. In fact, why does it seem a little wide? Because it will still have some perspective, near wide and far narrow. This side will be a little wider, this side will be a little narrower. Therefore, it is necessary to have this sense of perspective. We can strengthen it. This position of the lying silkworm. The contrast will be particularly strong. We can draw this position a little clearer, make this position stronger. The feeling of not waking up will be particularly strong after that in this position. We can distinguish its projection type to the width of this piece. The basic projection type of this eyeball can be further this way. In this position, the shape of a light and shadow of this piece can symbolically bring this position on its forehead after the area. This position, including this position, is a structure of it. After coming to it, let's give this piece a height after it has taken root. It is optimistic that there is a small connection between it and the height of the eye, and the position of the earlobe is small. This position is slightly fat and lifted up. After the position is finished, don't draw thin in this position. Many friends are very easy to lose weight in this position. A relationship between the upper ear chakra and the horizontal pull feels like it is in this position. It is exactly at a point where the double eyelids of the silkworm can be used to bring it out. A width of this eyebrow symbolically gives it meaning. This position is slightly after finishing. Let's look for this side of this side. Then we are optimistic about the relationship between it and the skull shell. The lower lip square is lowered, and then this position brings out a thickness of the lower lip square. What's in this area? It's the lower lip's fold mark. Don't make it too wide or thin. It's a bit thin now, so let's tighten it slightly. Let's bring this area in a bit. This part can be extended outward. After that, we can bring out the hair a little here. There's a hairstyle here. Loosen it a bit. The exact line isn't crucial. This side isn't very clear, but the shape is close enough. Move this part outward to make it more complete. That should do it for this section. We can root one hair strand here symbolically as it's braidable. Now, let's define the frown muscle area here. This is the nose bridge and frown muscle area. There's a downward structure here. The model's features are strong here. Now let's tighten this area upwards a bit. Then we'll adjust this small area. This part isn't too different, just slightly off. It's tricky. Go light here, don't draw too heavy. This is the ear shape. Add a bit of neck here. Just a touch of neck. Include a bit of this small neck shape. We don't need much neck early on. Just hint at it with two lines. Consider the thickness. Later we'll define some hair here. forehead in this shape is quite large. Now let's check and review this area. Let's strengthen this part a bit. The eyebrow bone and nose bridge seem quite straight here. This area can be adjusted to follow the turn more closely. This is where he turns more than you. Then the upper lip, this stitch line position, bring out a bit of thickness here. This can create depth. After this step, we can add some light and shadow. Following the shape we've identified, give it a simple follow, then tone down the color a bit. Then make the eyeball area grayer with darker lines, more grey overall. Add color subtly, not too much. Emphasize left upper lip and base of nose. This area can be extended outward like an ear. We've added what inside? Some light and shadow. Just bringing in some small highlights. Add simple backlighting. The nose looks quite straight, it's quite straight. I'll taper this area slightly, stopping here makes the nose bridge look shorter.